Hi, today we're going to look at some very basic functionality in Excel, adding together two cells, rows or columns. To start with, left click in the cell you want to populate with a solution. Then press the equal sign on the keyboard and next left click on the first cell you want to add into the sum. Follow this by pressing the plus sign on the keyboard and then finally left click on the second cell that you want to add together in your summation. Press the return or enter key and the addition will populate the cell chosen. If you've got two columns of data that you want to add together, simply perform the simple addition that we've just run through, then highlight the cell with the answer in, move the cursor over the bottom right corner until a small plus sign appears, then drag this down to the bottom row of the two columns of data in Excel, and Excel will repeat the formula that you've just entered for the subsequent rows. With your data in rows rather than columns, follow the same procedure, performing addition on the first column of the two rows. Then once again, hover over the bottom right corner of the solution until the plus sign appears and drag this across until you get to the last column of your data. Thanks for listening. See you soon for more quick Excel hints and tips.